What can we get if we don't read? What do we get if we read and we believe everything that we see? We read and then we tenderize. Is it correct? Should I try it? Do I have enough of the elements to try it? And if I do not succeed, can I start over again? What can I waste? What can't I waste? Should I try it on paper? Should I go into the kitchen and try all my vegetables out? And if it doesn't work, do I throw it out? If it doesn't taste good, you don't throw out the food. But if the paper is all written over, should you start again or should you get a scribble pad? How should I begin? Even with art, right now I'm troubled in my art. I want to paint and I would like someone to help me. I take a picture of an element and I want it to come out as a big picture. My wall is 8 feet high, yet when I go and I process it into Redbubble or into Zazzle or American Fine Arts, and I put my picture up, it comes out this big and I can't get it bigger and I don't know what I'm doing. So I need a little help. So I look and I look and I look and I look and I go a little bit nuts. I still can't do it. So if you know anything about it, help! Always looking for help. This little finger knows something. This little finger knows something. All these fingers know something, and then there's me. So I listen to all my friends, and then I do as I choose. But then this finger says, well, I told you what it was. Well, this finger knew a little bit of what you knew, and I like what this finger did better than this finger. So I chose to do this. Well, this finger is now mad at me and it no longer wants to talk to me. This is the kind of people I bump into. Because I'm not listening to this finger, but I listen to this finger, doesn't mean I'm not listening to the greatest finger of all. I'm a one-wick finger. Light me up, my friends. Don't put me out. Just because you can't see my eyes, I actually see what's going on the screen. And it's, guess what? It's me. Zodiac, elements, weights and measures, physics, astrology, the moons. We're going to be talking about silver and gold, and this is a continuation of the last video. What I want to bring into here, we're going to have to lower a bit the light because I can't see it myself. 6, 1, 4, 7, and 9 equals 6. 6 and 9 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. Is that correct? But the reality of 6, okay, I made a little error in there. I wasn't looking for 6. I was looking for 7. Okay, so in order to get 6 to create 7, I need 1 or have to minus. I have to minus. So what do I minus? What do I minus from 6? What do I minus from 6 in order to get, and I'm not even happy. I like the video, so I'm not going to erase it, so sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to figure it out. Okay, 6 plus what equals 7? 6 plus 4 equals 10. How do I take away from 6 to equal 10? 6 minus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. So 6 has to equal 7 and 2. In order for 6 to equal to 10, I have to take away 6. And in order for 6 to equal to 7, I have to add 1 to 6 or take away 7 from 6. So these are the combinations. I'm going to show you them now. I think I got them right. I'm going to lower that light a little bit so you can see the paper. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 minus 7, 6 take away 6 is 0. Take away 1 equals to 9. No, that's wrong. I have to take away 9. I take away 6, and then I take away 3. So that would be 9. Sorry, I'm sorry. It seems like all the answers are the same. You're working with me, right? Okay. So 4 and 6. 6 take away 6 becomes 0. I'm back at 10 again. And again, I don't like that answer. I do know this answer. 6 and 7 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 6 take away 2 equals 4. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 and 6 equals 7. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 1 and 3 equals 4. So now we have 7. Now we have, oh, I'm missing 3 over here. Excuse me. We're working with this together. I hate to be with errors, but I'm not perfect. 3, 6, 9 work into the 7 world. 7 and 3 is 10. 7 and 6 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 7 and 0 is 7. 7 and 9 is 16. 1 and 6 is 7. Okay, we're not going to do the minus bit. 8 and 2 is 10 is 1. 8 and 9 is 17 is 8 and 9 is 17, 1 and 7 is 8, but that's not what I was looking for here. I was looking for 8 and 5 is 13, 1 and 3 is 4, 8 minus 1 is 7. I'm looking for 7. I'm looking for 1. I'm looking for 1 or 10, 7, and 13. Let me mark this down. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for these over here. 7, 10, and 13. The relative value of 7 equals 6 and 5 equals 11. 7 equals 11. 6 equals 7. 8 equals 49. 4 and 9 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. This equals to 21. 13 and 8 is 21. 7 and 11 is 18. This represents the letter R. At the same time, the 18th letter and the 8th and the 9th letter, R and I and K, go together. K for king, R for roi, which is also king. Did I confuse you? Because I'm confusing myself. I'm going to go a little bit slower. I'm going to explain it to you. SIX equals 52. 5 and 2 equals 7, but because it's under 10, I'm going to keep it at 52, and let's say it's created at 58. 5 and 2 is 7, and 6 is 13. 6 represents 4. 7 and 65 is 72, represents time. 8 and 49 equals 57, equals to the moon, time, and the moon. Minus equals to 41, the DNA cycle. 7 minus equals 58, equals to 13. 1 and 3 equals 4. 7 and 6, 4 and 4 come together. 65, 6 and 5 is 11. 11 is the letter K. 7, 11 in the game of craps. 7 come 11. 7 times 7 is 49. So 13 is 28, equals to the moon. 27 equals to the red in the moon. Teen equals to 44, the space through the alternate current in the moon. 44, 54, 64, 72, and 27 equals to 99. 28 and 9, 37, and 18, 47, 55, and 44, 99. 13 runs through Jupiter. Jupiter as the number of that same value. So now that we used up 17 minutes in this, I'm not very happy with the video, so I'm going to stop this video from where it is. And still I haven't continued on to the added on video that I mentioned from the last tape, which is going to do with silver and gold and 1776, because I did not want to create long videos unless I don't upload these videos and do something perfect. There's no such thing as perfect. Perfect is in the mind of the beholder, and I am the beholder of what I have done, and I don't like it, but I'm going to upload it anyways. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I will tell you, I do like the next video. Thank you for watching.